Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking chapter 1 of recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. I can do all courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access and many more courses. Contact me for your assignment, exam or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my first slide of this video and on my PC screen. Okay, now question number 1. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name. Basically in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson IT Lab dashboard. Now moving on question number 2. Question number 2 is that you notice that 321 2024 vision expense on row 10 is duplicate of the expenses on row 8. You will delete the duplicate row, select and delete row 10 that contain duplicates vision data. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Moving on Excel workbook, you can select and row 10 and right click on this and delete this row 10. Now moving on question number 3. Question number 3 is that select and cut row 11 that contains 3 to 2024 pharmacy expense and insert cut cells on row 5. Select and cut row 11 and insert cut cells on row 5. Okay, moving on Excel workbook and then cut row 11. Okay, moving on Excel workbook and right click on row 11 and cut this row 11 and then click on row 5, right click on this and insert cut cells and paste here. Okay, I have done this question. You can see here. Now moving on question 4. You decide to insert a column of additional data. Insert a new column A and type expense hash in cell A3. Insert a new column A and type expense hash in cell A3. Right click on this and then insert a column A and press insert. Column A will be inserted. Then tap expense hash in cell A3. Expense hash in cell A3, tap in cell A3 expense hash, and then I have done this question. Now moving on question number 5. Question number 5 is that in the new column you want to create a coding system consisting of the years, month and sequential numbering for the expenses. Tab 2024 3001 in cell A4 and then use autofill to complete the expense number of the range A5 to A11. Okay, click on cell A4 and then tab 2024 3001. Okay, you can copy this dates, then click on cell A4 and then tap in formula bar. Okay, you can see this and then press enter. And autofill to the A5 to A10. Use autofill to A5 to A10. Oh, A10, sorry, remove A11. Now question number 6 is that change the width of column A to 12. After filling the expenses number, you will increase the width to display the data. Change the width of column A to 12. Okay, first we will select column A and right click on this and change the width to A to 12. Click on column A, right click on this, column width, change this data 8.11 to 12, then press OK. Column width will be changed, will be increased. Now moving on question number 7, the worksheets should have a title above the data. Type March 2024 medical expenses in cell A1 and mark and center the title over the range A1 to J1. Okay, first we tap March 2024 medical expense in cell A1. Click on cell A1 and merge and center the title range. Okay, you can copy this and click on cell A1. Moving in Excel workbook, click on cell A1 and paste in formula bar March 2024 medical expense and then merge and center the title over the range A1 to J1 and merge and center the title. You can select this range and then go to home tab and then okay, you can first select this range, go to home tab and then click on merge and center. Go to merge and center. Here is merge and center. Okay, it will be merged and centered. Okay, it's done now. Now moving on question number 8. Question number 8 is that the title would look more professional with some formatting. Apply bold green font color and 14 pt font size to the title in cell A1. Apply bold green font color. Click on bold and click on font color. Select green font color. Here is green font color and 14 pt font size to the title and go to the font size and select 14 font size color. Okay, this question is completely done. Now moving on question number 9. Question number 9 is that you decide to replace lab with laboratory to provide a more descriptive expense name. Find all occurrences of lab with replace them with laboratory. Okay, basically in this step we will have to find all occurrences of lab and then replace with laboratory. Moving on Excel workbook, go to home tab and then click on go to find and select. Click on find and select, then click on find. Okay, find and then replace with what is find. You can see lab is find and then replace with laboratory. Lab replacement replace with laboratory. Replace with laboratory and then press replace all. Then press OK. Then close this. Now moving on question number 10. Question number 10 is that check the spelling in the worksheet and correct all spelling errors. Check the spelling in the worksheet and correct the all spelling errors. Basically in this step we will have to change correct spelling error. Go to review tab and then click on spelling, then press yes. Do you want to continue changing at the beginning of this sheet? Then press yes, then press OK. Spell check complete. You are good to go. Okay, now moving on question number 11. Question number 11 is that you are ready to enter the first formula to calculate the adjusted rate. Calculate the adjusted bill in cell F4 by subtracting the AMT not covered from the amount billed. Copy the formula to the range F5 to F11. Basically, in this question, we will have to calculate the adjusted bill in cell F4. Enter a formula in cell F4 by subtracting the amount not covered from amount billed. Click on cell F4. First, we will enter press is equal to, enter is equal to, then enter formula amount billed from amount not covered from amount billed minus amount not covered, and then press enter. It will be shown adjusted bill values here in cell F4. Okay, copy down to the here F5 to F11. Now moving on question number 12. Question number 12 is that calculate the amount owed in I4 by subtracting the insurance paid and copy amount from adjusted bill. Copy the formula to the range I5 to I11. Basically, in this question, we will have to calculate the amount owed in cell I4 by subtracting the insurance paid and copy from adjusted bill. Basically, in this step, we will have to enter a formula in cell I4. Okay, click on cell I4, press is equal to, and then enter a formula adjusted bill subtracting from insurance paid and copy from minus insurance paid minus copy, then press enter. It will be show amount owed okay, then formula down the I4 to I11. Okay, now moving on question number 13. Question number 13 is that calculate the percentage PD of adjustment bill in cell J4. Okay, enter a formula in cell J4 is equal to is equal to, then into H4 copy plus amount owed plus I4 into subtract from adjusted bill. Subtract from adjusted bill, then press enter. Okay, it will be show percentage PD of adjustment bill, and then copy down to the J5 to J11. Copy down the J5 to J11. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on question. Next question number 14. Question number 14 is that the first row of monetary value should be formatted with $sign Apply accounting number format to the range D4 to I4. First we will select this range and then apply accounting number format. First you can select this range. Okay. D4 to I4, then go to home tab and then apply accounting number format. Then apply accounting number format is here. Okay. Now next question is question number 15. Question number 15 is that apply comma style to the range D5 to D11. Okay, first we select this range and then apply comma cell style. You can select this range D5 to I11. Okay, you moving on Excel workbook, then you can select first this range D5 to I11. Okay, then okay, go to home tab and then go to the number group and then you can select comma cell style. You can select here is comma, you can select comma cell style. Okay, I have done 16 questions of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, and many more courses. Contact me for your assignment help, exam help, quiz help, or you want to deal for complete course. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are shown on my PC screen and given in the description. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.